Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a folder in the Google Drive of the Gmail and also how to upload a document. So first, this is our Gmail. Let me delete this. You come and click on these dots here, and then you scroll down. You have different features here. You go to Drive here. After clicking Drive, this will pop up. Then you will come and go to this plus sign, new. You click new. After clicking new, you can do this new folder. To create a new folder, you can call it my documents, for example, and then you click create. When you click create, wow, the folder is now formed. Then you can add a document in this folder by clicking on this folder. You can see that it is empty. Drop file here. They are telling us to drop the file here. Then you come here to add a document. You can either add a file or another folder, but in this case I'm going to add a folder. In my computer, I am going to choose the recent ones. Among the recent ones, I can, for example, choose this document named AAA and then click open. After clicking open, you can see here it has already started downloading. Wow, one upload complete. As you can see, my document AAA has been uploaded in the computer. So guys, this is how to upload document in the Google Drive, the email, and how to save it for future reference. So another thing I can show you is you can even delete it or rename it. For example, to rename, I can come and click here rename and call it, for example, BBB, and then click OK. This is how to rename this document. I can choose to do other things like to make a copy. I can do a copy of it like this. I can also choose to say, hey, why can't I delete this a copy that I have made, and then you come here, you click move to trash, and it is gone. And then you can choose also to download this document. You click here on these three dots here, and then you come to download, and it is downloaded. As you can see here, they are scanning for the virus. Wow, you can see it is now in downloads. The other way to download it is just to come here and click here download, and it is downloaded. You can also share the link of this. You can share the link of this document by coming here and go to add here. By going here to add, you can then copy this link, and you can even change the access to anyone with the link, for example, and then copy this link and then confirm send, and then share it with someone who you want to have access on these documents. So there are many things you can do with this file, and when there are many, you can do sort the types, you can modify many things. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing on my YouTube channel and hit the like button and give a comment. Thank you very much.